If you're on a student visa in Australia and in a committed relationship, you might be wondering, can I apply for a partner visa while studying in Australia? And if I do, can I stop studying and start working full-time right away? These are super common questions I get. There's a lot of confusion around how it all actually works. So today, I'm going to be talking about what happens if you stop studying, what your work rights really are, and how bridging visas fit into the picture. So let's get into it. Under Australia's migration regulations, you can apply for a partner visa while holding a substantive visa. A student visa is a substantive visa. So if you're on a valid student visa and you meet the first legal requirements to lodge the application, then yes, you can apply. But, and this is a big but, just because you can apply doesn't mean you should rush into it without planning. Let's talk about why. So number one, you cannot stop studying after lodging a partner visa. Even after you've applied for a partner visa, you're still bound by your current visa conditions. This includes condition 8202, which means you must still attend all your classes during the duration of your course. Condition 8516, which means you still have to be acting like a genuine student. So if you stop studying, withdrawn from your course, or let your COE be cancelled, your education provider is required to report you to the department. That could lead to your student visa being cancelled, your bridging visa A being refused or cancelled, falling into a bridging visa E with no work rights, and possibly triggering a 3-year ban under PIC 4013 or 4014 if you become unlawful. So please don't assume you can just drop out after applying for a partner visa. You need to make sure that you still apply with your student visa conditions. Number two, you cannot work full-time lodging a partner visa if you're on a student visa. If you're still on a student visa, you're still under condition 8105, which only allows you to work 48 hours per fortnight while your course is in session, full-time only during official breaks or after you complete your course. Even if you've applied for a partner visa and received your bridging visa A, that bridging visa A doesn't start until your student visa ends. So until then, you need to comply with this condition. So how does a bridging visa actually work? Let's clear this one up. Your bridging visa A is granted when you lodge your partner visa, and it usually has full work rights and no study conditions. But it doesn't become active until your student visa is expired. That may be in a few months or in a few years, depending on how long you have left in your course. Until then, the bridging visa is basically inactive and just sits in the background. And if you stop studying before it kicks in, well then your student visa can be cancelled and your bridging visa A can go down with it. And please don't cancel your student visa without thinking it's a shortcut. It's not. Doing so can leave you unlawfully and with no work rights. Always get advice first. So, can you apply for a partner visa while on a student visa? Yes. But can you stop studying or work full-time straight away? Not until your bridging visa A is active. Until that happens, you must stick to your visa conditions. Partner visas are one of the most powerful migration pathways, but also one of the most complex visa pathways. And there are no refunds if you get it wrong. That's why at AIVS, we always start with a strategy session to set your timelines, check your eligibility, and help you gather your best relationship evidence. Ready to take the next step? Book your free 15-minute partner visa consult with me. The link's in the description. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. We're always happy to help. Until next time, stay positive, stay informed, and remember, love always finds a way.